Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can copy Instagram group chat link. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, we can go to our Instagram direct message to open our group chat. And for instance, I'm going to copy the group chat link of this group chat, and I'm going to open it first. Then we can click on the group chat's name, and here we just need to click on invite link. And for your information, I'm the admin of this Instagram group chat, so I will get this invite link option and I can share this invite link to my friends. We just need to click on this invite link, and then we can click on copy, and now the invite link has been copied to the clipboard, and we just need to paste it if we want to share this group chat invite link. Alright guys, and that's how we can copy Instagram group chat invite link. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.